Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Biloxi, Mississippi Beach. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located opposite the Gulf of Mexico and adjacent to the beach, this pet-friendly hotel is less than 5 minutes drive from Tulane University. Features include an outdoor swimming pool and laundry facilities. A cable TV and a telephone are provided in the simply decorated rooms at the Motel 6-Biloxi Beach. Rooms are also equipped with air conditioning and a private bathroom. A 24-hour reception and a sun terrace by the pool are available to the guests of the Biloxi Beach Motel 6. Parking is complimentary. Keesler Air Force Base is 10 minutes drive from the hotel. The Hard Rock Casino is 5 miles away. Other casinos are also nearby. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.